Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. Today we're gonna put you through a little short circuit workout. So what we have here, we have a little rope as far as an extension rope. So we're gonna do triceps. So the proper way to do this, the best way to do this, is I'm gonna keep my elbows to my side. So you got your belly button here. So you see I'm right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep my elbows up against me and try to stay at this 90-degree angle and just go hand over hand over hand over hand. So staying at my belly button, but constantly keep moving. That's what's gonna work this tricep. So it's just hand over hand over hand over hand, keeping my elbows up against my body. All right, so we're gonna do a set of that. Then we're gonna come over here to a bench. So we're gonna do some leg raises for abs. So with the leg raises, we can reach back and grab here, or I have a band that's going to keep more tension, so we're just going to keep our legs straight and come down. So if we keep our legs off the bench, we keep that much more tension on our core. So we can come up, then back. If you need a moderated version, you can let it hit up against the bench, then come here and here. Then we're going to come over here, and this is a beanbag slam. You got a ball slam, whatever you want to do. So with our ball slam, we're going to go side to side and use our obliques. So we're going to come over here, completely sideways, pick it up completely here. So we're going to go side to side. So we're going to do 20 seconds here, 20 leg lifts, again 5 on each side, and then we're going to go through 3 rounds. All right guys, we got everything set up, so we're going to start. We're ready. Like I said, 90-degree angle, hand over hand, keep the elbows up against our body. All right, let's go. So it's just hand over hand over hand, keeping the elbows up against the body, and you're gonna feel your triceps burn. Let's do 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. So I'm just gonna reach back and just go up. Exhale as I come up, squeeze. Try to keep your legs and feet together. So squeeze the core. That much more. Exhale as you come back. And like I said, you can keep your legs up to keep that tension on your core. That's even better. Let's do 2 more. Alright, here we go. So we're gonna go side to side. Here. Now these are eggs. Let's break them. Don't sit here and do that. Let's go with it. Here we go. 6. Come over from the side. And immediately, second round, guys. Let's go. Elbows in, let's go. Elbows in. I know it's burning. Let's do 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Keep that heart rate up. Third round, let's go. Last round, come on. Anybody tired? All right, guys, that's just a little short circuit. I don't know the time, maybe 3 minutes. But the main thing here is keeping that heart rate up. Keep them calories burning. You see we got a good tricep workout. Swell up a little bit. Got some crunches in. And we got some obliques along with the shoulders. All that will keeping the heart rate up to burn the calories. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Excuse me while I catch my breath. The main thing here is, guys, educating yourself. Working hard. And drinking water. Make sure you hydrate. Make sure you check out our other videos. We got workout videos. We got meal prepping, gym etiquette, it all. Make sure you hit that like. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Put on the notification bell so that way you know every time we get videos. And remember, don't sit, get fit.